What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're back here on the location at Berge Chevrolet. We got one here today that I don't want to do, and I wouldn't take this job on. As you can see, it's a 2019 Chevy truck. The bedside has been sideswiped, and it's something that price-wise I just didn't want to do it at all. He wants it done as a favor for his customer and doesn't want to spend any money on it. So sometimes you get these jobs. I spoke before about taking things on if it's worth it. This one isn't worth it. I don't want to do this job, but again, this is one of my good accounts. I'm doing it for him as a favor. It's not going to look great at all. He doesn't want to spend any money. I'm going to spend a little time just to get out some of the deepness. You can see it's all deep here, in here, a big one here, and a big deepness there. We got the liner down so we can touch some of them, but as you can see on this one here, the panels pinched together there. So we're really not going to get some good tools on it. This is going to be more just glue pulling and just wasting time. So again, this isn't one I want to do. It's not going to look good when I'm done. I figured I'd just share it with you and show you like one that when you don't spend a lot of time on it, what it's going to look like after we're done. And again, not wanting to put my name to this one, but sometimes you just have to do things if they want you to do it, and that's that. So we'll take you through the process as we always do, and see how it turns out, and go from there. All right, so we're finished up with this one. I spent a little over 2 hours on this. That's all he wanted me to do. He had a certain price in mind. I gave him a price to spend 2 hours, and this is what he gets. So I'll take you through it. You can see all the deepness is pretty much out of it. If you get down and look, it's still pretty ripply and, you know, little wavy here and there, but that's all he wanted. He just wanted it to look better. And I spent the 2 hours, a little over 2 hours on it, and that's what he gets. So I mentioned that before. You have to consider that taking on jobs. I don't want to put my name to this. I would hate for someone else to see this and, you know, them ask, who did that? And, you know, oh, Wipeout did that. So I don't want to put my name to that, but some jobs you can't turn down. This is a good account of mine. He just wanted it done. It's a favor for a customer, so I did it. I would love to pass this off to my Uncle Richard. He's the one that trained me. He's with Precision Dent Removal, so I'd love to give him this one and be like, hey, I got a job for you, but I had to do this one, so it's done. Hopefully he'll be happy with it. I'm not really happy with it. I'd love to spend time and make it look good, but it is what it is, and we'll move on to the next one. So just wanted to show you what it's like taking on jobs that you don't want to do, you're not getting paid for it, and they don't come out great. So here's an example of that, and like I said, we'll move on to the next one, and hopefully you liked the video, and we'll catch you next time.